Hi kids! Welcome to another lesson for this week. We are now in quarter 1, week 7. I am your teacher Maricar, your mathematics teacher in grade 4. In today's lessons, our topic are estimating the quotient of 3 to 4 digit dividends by 1 or 2 digit divisors and solving problems involving division of 3 to 4 digit numbers by 1 to 2 digit numbers. Get ready your pen and paper because it's drill time. In 10 seconds, I want you to round off the following numbers to the highest place value. Ready? Let us begin. The first number is 434. The time starts now.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 0.
Time's up. The answer is 400. Very good. Next number is 5,658. Time starts now.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3.
Time's up. And the answer is 6,000.
Good job!
Next number is 8,374. The time starts now.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3.
Time's up. And our answer is 8,000. Next number, 361. Your time starts now.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3.
Time's up. Our answer is 400. Now, let us analyze the problem. Before we proceed, you will learn first, in order to solve routine and non-routine problems, follow these steps. First, know what is asked and what are given, or the understanding. Second, know the operation to be used. Third, write the number sentence. Fourth, write the correct units or label your answer. And lastly, review and check your answer. Nagawa na natin to last time, so it's easy for you. A farmer has 31,200 pineapples to pack equally in 48 boxes. About how many pineapple will be in each box? First, let us solve this problem using the 4 steps in solving problem. The first one, understand. What is asked and what are given? What is asked in the problem? Okay, the answer is how many pineapple will be in each box, or the number of pineapple in each box. Next one is what are given. The given are 31,200 pineapples and 48 boxes. Let us proceed to the second step, the plan. What operation will be used and write the number sentence? What operation will be used in this problem? The answer is division. And what is the number sentence? 31,200 divided by 48 equals n. Let us proceed to the third step, solve. Write the complete answer. 31,200 divided by 48 is equal to 650 pineapples in each box. Now, let's check and look back if our answer is correct. 48 times 650 is equal to 31,200. 31,000 is same as the dividend. So your answers is correct. Or 31,200 divided by 650 is equal to 48. If your answer is 48, same with the divisor, it means your answer is correct. Let us try to estimate the given number. The number here is 31,200 divided by 48 equals 650. In estimating the quotient, follow this step. Round off the dividend and the divisor to their highest place value. Our dividend here is 31,200 and our divisor is 48. So meaning 31,200, when we rounding it off, it will become 30,000 and 48 will become 50. Second step. Apply the rules of cancellation for dividing rounding numbers. Okay, magka-cancellation tayo. Tingnan muna natin ang divisor. How many zeros do we have in divisor? We have only 1. So meaning, ika-cancel na natin yung 0 sa divisor. Kung ilan ang 0 sa divisor, yun lang din ang bilang ng 0 na ika-cancel natin sa dividends. Okay, we have only 1 0 na ika-cancel natin. The answer is 600 or 3,000 divided by 5 is 600. The last step is compare your estimated quotient to the actual quotient to make sure if the estimated quotient is reasonable. Tingnan natin kung reasonable ba yung estimation natin. The actual quotient is 650 and the estimated quotient is 600. Magkalapit ba sila? Malapit ba sila sa isa't isa? Of course, malapit po sila sa isa't isa. So, the quotient is reasonable. Ating alalahanin. You will learn in estimating the quotient of 3 to 4-digit dividends by 1 to 2-digit divisors. Do not forget to follow this step. The first is always use rounded numbers to estimate the quotient. Second, round the dividend and the divisor to their highest place value. The third one is apply the rules of cancellation for dividing rounded numbers. And lastly, compare your estimated quotient to the actual quotient to make sure if the estimated quotient is reasonable. Let us proceed to another problem. The total sales for calamansi fruit harvested from the EPP garden is 5,120 pesos. If the calamansi is sold at 16 pesos per kilo, how many kilos were sold? Let us solve this problem using the 4th step in solving problem. Okay, let us proceed to solve this problem using the 4th step. Understand what is asked and what are given. How many kilos of calamansi were sold? And the givens are 5,120 pesos and 16 pesos per kilo. Second step, the plan. What operation will be used? The operation will be used is division. Write the number sentence. The number sentence is 5,120 pesos divided by 16 equals N. Let us solve. Write the complete answer. So 5,120 pesos divided by 16 is equals to 320 kilos. Let us check and look back if your answers are correct. We need to multiply the quotient and the divisor. 320 times 16 is equivalent to 5,120, which is the same as the dividend on the given numbers, or 5,120 divided by 320 is equivalent to 16, which is our divisor in our given numbers. So your answers are correct. Now let us proceed to estimate these numbers. Follow this step. The first step is rounded off the dividend and the divisor to their highest place. Kagaya kanina, nag-round off po tayo ng dividend and divisor. So, 5,120 and 16 will become 5,000 divided by 20 equals N. Second step, apply the rules of cancellation for dividing rounding numbers. O, yung sabi natin kanina, ilan ang zero ng divisor? It has only 1. So, only 1 lang po ang ating ikakancel. The other one is to the dividend. So, 500 divided by 2 is 250. O, hindi pa po tapos yan. We have third step or the last step. Compare your estimated quotient to the actual quotient to make sure if the estimated quotient is reasonable. Okay, in actual quotient, we have 320 and the estimated quotient is 250. Palagay nyo, reasonable ba siya? Yes, of course, because 320, if we're rounding off, it will become 300. And 250, kapag na-round off natin, magiging 300 din. Or, sabihin na natin, malapit pa rin sila sa isa't isa. Now, let us find the quotient. Use the cancellation method. Number 1, or the first number here, is done for you. Okay, 7,000 divided by 10. Using cancellation, kinancel natin yung isang 0. And then, 700 divided by 1 is equivalent to 700. Now, I'll give you 10 seconds to answer the following numbers. 41,000 divided by 100. Your time starts now.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4,
Time's up. Okay, we cancel 2 zeros. 410 divided by 1 is equivalent to 410. Okay, correct. Check your work. The next number, 3,000 divided by 100. Time starts now.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 0.
Time's up. Okay, we need to cancel 2 zeros and another 2 zeros. So it will become 30 divided by 1 is equivalent to 30. Next number. Let us have 20,000 divided by 100. And your time starts now.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 0.
Time's up. We need to cancel 2 zeros in the divisor and 2 zeros again in the dividend. So, the number here is 200 divided by 1. The answer is 200. Let us proceed. 9,000 divided by 100 is equals to, your time starts now.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 0.
Time's up. We need to cancel 2 zeros in each, in the dividend and the divisor. So the number here is 90 divided by 1 is equals to 90. Very good. Another one. 12,000 divided by 1,000. Your time starts now.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 0.
Time's up. Okay, we have 3 zeros in the divisor, so tatlong zero din ang ating ikakancel sa kabila. Okay, so the number here is 12 divided by 1 and the answer is 12. Very good. Did you get it? Very good. Now, let us try to estimate the quotient. The first number here is done for you. I will give you 1 minute to answer these 5 items, and your time starts now. Okay, time's up. Let us answer. Check your work if it is correct. The answer in number 1 to 5 is here. Check your work. Let us see if you understand our lessons for today. It's quiz time. Let's put your knowledge to the test. Encircle the letter of the correct answer. I'll give you 1 minute to answer these 5 questions, and we will answer it afterwards. Your time starts now. Okay, time's up. Let's answer number 1. 44,000 divided by 531? The answer is letter B. Check your work. Number 2. If we estimate the number in number 2, 42,430 divided by 790, what should be the answer? The answer is letter A. Very good. Number 3, 47,986 divided by 197. What is the estimation quotient? Letter A again, 250. Then number 4. The grade 4 pupils needs 1,175 straws to be used in their math project. If there are 47 pupils, how many straws did each pupils need to erect? Letter A, 20, B, 25, C, 30, and D, 37. The answer is letter B. And last number 5. Nancy orders 200 red roses to be placed in 8 big vases. How many roses will each vase have? The answer is letter D, 25. How many got perfect? How about 4, 3, 2, and 1? Okay. Before we end, here's our references: Mathematics SLM Pivot, Mathematics Learners Materials, and the video or the timer, 10 seconds countdown timer from YouTube, the YouTube downloader. Thank you for this. And thank you very much. Have a nice day.